Welcome to English Story Journey. Today, we will talk about why discipline beats motivation. Most people wait for motivation before they start anything meaningful. They wait to feel inspired before going to the gym, before studying, before changing their life. They believe motivation is the engine that creates success. But the problem is, motivation is unreliable. It shows up randomly, disappears without warning, and never stays long enough to build something real. Jake learned this the hard way. Every Sunday night, he promised himself that Monday would be different. He set alarms, wrote goals, watched motivational videos, and felt fired up. But by Wednesday, that energy was gone. The gym was skipped, the work was delayed, and by Friday, he felt guilty for failing again. This cycle repeated for years, and every time it did, Jake blamed himself for not wanting it badly enough. What Jake didn't understand was that motivation was never the problem. Motivation is emotional. It depends on mood, energy, and circumstances. When life feels good, motivation feels high. When life gets stressful, motivation disappears. If success depended on motivation alone, no one would ever be consistent. Discipline works differently. Discipline doesn't care how you feel. It doesn't wait for the perfect moment or the right mood. Discipline is the decision to act even when your mind says no. It's doing the work on boring days, tired days, and frustrating days. And those days are the ones that actually shape your future. Motivation makes you start, but discipline makes you continue. Motivation is loud and exciting. Discipline is quiet and repetitive. Motivation feels powerful in the moment, but discipline builds power over time. Most people chase the feeling of motivation because it feels good, but they avoid discipline because it feels uncomfortable. The truth is, discipline removes the need for motivation altogether. When something becomes a habit, you don't debate it anymore. You don't negotiate with yourself. You just do it. You don't wait to feel motivated to brush your teeth or show up to work. You do it because it's part of who you are. Discipline turns effort into identity. Jake slowly realized this when he stopped trying to change his life all at once. Instead of waiting to feel motivated to work out for an hour, he committed to 10 minutes a day. No excuses, no emotional decision-making. Some days he hated it. Some days he felt nothing, but he still showed up. And over time, something unexpected happened. The resistance disappeared. Discipline creates momentum. The more you show up, the easier it becomes to keep showing up. Confidence doesn't come from hype or inspiration. It comes from proving to yourself that you do what you say you'll do. That trust builds self-respect, and self-respect fuels consistency. Most people think discipline is punishment. They see it as forcing yourself to suffer. But real discipline is self-care. It's choosing long-term peace over short-term comfort. It's protecting your future self from regret. Life doesn't reward intensity, it rewards consistency. Small, disciplined actions repeated daily outperform rare moments of extreme motivation every time. The people who succeed aren't more inspired than everyone else. They're more committed to showing up even when it feels boring or pointless. Jake didn't suddenly become motivated, he became disciplined, and because of that, motivation eventually followed. Not the loud, emotional kind, but a quiet confidence built on routine and progress. His life didn't change overnight, but it changed permanently. If you're waiting to feel motivated before you start, you'll be waiting forever. Motivation comes and goes, discipline stays. And the moment you stop relying on how you feel and start relying on what you've decided, everything begins to change. Discipline beats motivation, not because it feels better, but because it works. And in the end, the life you want isn't built on feelings. It's built on actions repeated when no one is watching.